All right, so I ended up fixing my malfunction on my Mercedes S550 W221. So basically, there was a little hairline crack on the tank, the air tank, and that's what I had to replace. That's how I fixed it, right? So when I was looking at the codes, it kept telling me, hey, the tank is taking too slow of amount of time for it to fill up, and I kept replacing the air pump itself. I don't know why I did that, but whatever, it is what it is. So finally, I ended up Googling that same code, and I see a man on the Facebook video. He placed this inside of water, put a hose or a tip at the end of air hose at the end of this, pumped it up with air as he's holding it down. One hand here, the other hand here, and you see the crack. Um, the air bubbles coming from the tank. So once you see that, I'm like, oh shit, okay, cool. That could be my issue. So I went ahead, I bought the part from Mercedes-Benz dealer. I installed it, turned on the vehicle, drove like normal, and then bam, my malfunction light went out. So this was a culprit, this was the cause. Make sure you have a scan tool. The scan tool will tell you everything. Yeah, sure, there's going to be times where it's going to be trials and tribulations, but keep trying, keep going. It took me about a year, 2020, 21, 22, so about 2-3 years for me to solve this issue. It is what it is. I'm not a mechanic. I am a do-it-yourselfer, so DIYer. So it is what it is. I found out the issue. This was the issue. I fixed it in 2022. Sorry, I just haven't been able to post lately. I've been busy, but it is what it is. So point is this. Get the scan tool, read the codes, do information, Google it, and you should find your answer. So voila, it was this was the issue.